Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone has Apple Pay configured with a valid card and biometric security enabled. Open the Uber app and sign in. This connects your account to device settings. Once done, tap the menu icon, then Payment. This starts linking methods. If you don't see Apple Pay listed, make sure Wallet is active and your card is verified. These actions ensure the app can detect Apple Pay immediately, so you can add it as your ride payment option. You now link Apple Pay inside Uber by choosing Add Payment Method and tapping Apple Pay. This tells the app to use the Wallet API. When the Wallet prompt appears, confirm the card and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. This step authorizes the connection securely. Once authenticated, return to Uber and select Apple Pay as the payment method. You can make it default for all rides or select it manually for each trip. This gives fast, tokenized payments and keeps card details private. To finish, request a ride and double-check that Apple Pay is selected at the Confirm screen before you tap Request. That ensures the tokenized charge is used. Once the trip ends, Uber will charge Apple Pay automatically, and you'll see the receipt in the app and wallet notifications. If payment fails, first verify your card in Wallet and your network connection, then restart the app or phone. If issues persist, remove and re-add the card or contact your bank. These steps resolve most declines quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.